Rich, what a drink at, fool?
What's going on YouTube, man? Today, bro, got this shoelace tutorial, bro, on the Jordan 12, bro. You know what I'm saying, bro? You know, I be watching a lot of videos like this, bro, and I'm telling you, bro, I'm gonna have y'all hooked up, bro. But yeah, bro. Usually, bro, your 12s come real tight, bro. So what you gotta do is, bro, you gon' get that thing, you gon' loosen it up, you feel me? You gon' loosen it up. You gon' loosen it up. You gon' loosen that thing up. You know what I'm saying? And then you gonna pull it. After each loose, you gonna pull it. Got that. Boom. Boom. Alright. I'm gonna show two different ways that I lace them. Alright, so gonna put that. Dang, bro, you know I'm struggling a little bit, you feel me? Yeah. That's how I rock them, you feel me? So, you just put it through those two holes right here. Let that guy hang for the first lace, bro. For the first lace, bro. Don't let that guy inside, you feel me? That's how it look, bro. I'm gonna do a little on foot, you feel me? Might as well. That's each way I do it. Alright, second shoe. Okay. Good. Gonna grab that thing. They come real tight, you feel me? For this shoe. Pull that out. We're gonna loosen them up. You already know. You gotta loosen them up. Cause they gonna come real tight, bro. So you know what you gotta do? Loosen them up, bro. Simple. Boom. Boom. Same strategy, bro. Same strategy. After each loose, what you do? Just pull it like this. Pull it. After each one you do, just pull it. Just like that. It's really that simple, bro. These other YouTubers, bro, they trying to make it all difficult, bro. It's not all that, bro. Boom. So, what I do for this, I grab it just like this. Two shoestrings. Grab it like this. And I grab these two fingers, and I boom. You gonna knot it up just like this. Shoestrings like this. Boom. You know what I'm saying? Boom. Yeah. Wait, bro. Drip season. I'm gonna do that again though for the people that didn't get it the first time. Don't hurt to do it again. Grab these two right here. Grab the two shoestrings. Boom. Two fingers. Boom. Boom. See that? You gonna put this through this hole. Boom. You're gonna pull it. And at this point, you're just doing minor adjustments. Minor. Those are minor adjustments that you want to make to your shoe. Cause it really don't matter, bro. This is your shoe, bro. You lace them how you want to lace. But I'm gonna show how this look too. Me personally, bro, I like this way better than all. Yeah. End it off by showing you this ending. Boom, boom. Got that.
Back at it again, huh?
That little hang, bro. yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Stay tuned for some more bangers. Peace.